Introducing the Ronix 8921 cordless grass trimmer. Boasting a robust motor powered by a high-performance 20-volt lithium-ion battery. Effortlessly achieving a no-load speed of 8,500 RPM. Hours of fatigue-free gardening works with ergonomic soft grip handle. Armed with a 230mm telescopic tube, flexibly reaching even the most challenging spots. An impressive runtime of 55 to 60 minutes on a single charge. Embrace a professional outdoor experience with the Ronix 8921 gas-free cordless grass trimmer. Ronix premium quality.